Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chloe. Today we are opening a Fairyloot subscription box. I've been wanting to get my hands on one of these for so long now. You have to go on a waiting list to be able to get one of these. I think I probably waited about a month and a half to 2 months until I managed to get onto this. This one is the young adult and it is the full box. It's not just the book, it's the full box, so it comes with all bits in it. And you get lots of exclusive stuff in here and it's all tailored to reading. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I see unboxings of these all the time and think they are amazing, they look so nice, and I've been wanting to try one for so long now. So when I got the email to say that I was finally going to get one, I was really excited. Okay, just like that. And I believe this month's theme was Dare to Dream, I want to say. Maybe I might be wrong, that might be last month's. But yeah, let's have a look what we've got inside. I'm really excited, I haven't looked yet. So this is, okay, I'm really excited about all of this. Okay, so first of all, we've got a card here. Okay, this is everything that's going to be included in it. So if you want to pause here and have a look, this is the spoiler card. Yes, I am right, Dare to Dream. So if you want to pause here, you can have a look at everything that's going to be included inside this box. And let's have a look. So first of all, we've got some really cute socks. What do they say on there? True Story socks. Let's have a look at what they are then. Oh, very cool. So they're little ankle socks. They've got an eye on the front of them. Yeah, that'll look cool. They will look cool when you wear them. An eye there, as you can see. And on the bottom, it says True Story. Very nice. I like those. They are cute. Let's pop that to one side. Next up, what do we have here? Oh, what is this? Does it say? No. Okay, here. It's a violet bowl cozy. A bowl cozy. Let's see. Here we go. Protect your hands from the heat or cold with this beautiful designed bowl cozy inspired by Violet Made of Fawns. Oh yeah, Violet Made of Fawns by Gina Chen. Okay, so I'm not sure how you use that. Do you just put it over your hands like so? I mean, if anyone knows how to use this, let me know. But that design on it is really nice. So the difference between this box and the box that is just book only, you don't get any of the extra bits, you just get the book, book only. In the book only box, you get the book only. In the one where you get everything else, you get all additional stuff. So this is the full box. So yeah, we've got that as the second thing. Let's put that to one side. Next up, oh wow, that's really nice. We should appreciate the flowers regardless of its roots. Very nice. Is this like a book bag? Let's see. A book sleeve, yes. Protect your beloved books in this lovely book sleeve, adorned with designs and quote from Daughter of the Moon, a Goddess by Su Lin Tan. Very nice. So we've got this. Can you see it all in there? It's a really nice size, like journal size. That would probably be, I love how I think of journals. Journal size would probably be B5. I'm thinking I could put my journal in this. So yeah, you've got a nice space inside. It's all nice and soft, so it'll keep it all protected. But that's a beautiful cover. Very nice. Okay, and then let's look at these bits first. So these boxes come with different tarot cards each month, and then eventually you'll be able to like build a whole tarot card set. So we've got two. So we've got 6 of stars and we've got 5 of stars here. Let me turn them over. That's the design on the back. So you can eventually collect, I assume, a whole deck with these lovely cards, but they're beautiful designs, very nice. And then we've got some bookmarks as well. So there's the front and there's the back. Collectible number 10, collectible number 9. So this must be part of a collection. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure. Like I say, guys, this is my first box I'm opening. So it's all very new to me, but I wanted to come on here and show you. If you're a fan of reading, you like reading, this might be something worth looking into. It is UK based, but I believe they ship internationally as well. So we've got this piece of art here of this guy. Again, I'm not sure who. It probably will tell me on this card. Probably somewhere. Art print here. Oh, it's a character from the Sesame series. I've not yet read that series. I've only just started reading the Sarah J Maas series, which I'm obsessing over. Okay, then we have the book. This is the best bit. Let's see what the book looks like for this month. Okay, let's move those out of the way. Oh, wow, look at that. So this is the book. It is called Silver in the Bone. This is the side. Oh, they're so pretty. Let me move the box out of the way so we can get a full view. So that's the side. Here is the front cover. We've got the edges are blue. Oh, wow. That is amazing. Look at the artwork on there. That sword. And then we've got blue at the bottom as well with the edge in there. Let's open it up and have a look inside. It is. Oh, wow. It's a signed book as well. That is pretty cool. And you can see there at the bottom, it's got the Fairyloot stamp there. So these books are exclusively for Fairyloot. Oh, look how lovely the cover is when you take it off. When you take the dust jacket off of that. You've got the two characters there. And on the back as well. Again, Fairyloot there, so you know that it's a Fairyloot exclusive. That is really nice. I'm not sure what the story's about, but that's the fun of these boxes. You don't know what you're getting, what it's about. That is so beautiful. So look, you've got a nice picture there of one of the characters. Anything on the back? Yep, another one. Oh, he's got a scar there. I wonder what that could be about. And then, yeah, so we've got some more bits on the back. Is that a different one? Yeah, a different story. But yeah, this is really cool. That is beautiful. Very nice. So I'm going to put it back in its sleeve. Keep it all nice and protected. And I am going to read this story because that's the point of buying these books, is to read them. So yeah, I'm really excited. There was something else in this bag. It came with... Is this another art card? Oh, look at that. It is a letter from the author. That is pretty cool. So I'll hold it there if you want to pause and have a read. This is really nice. I'm going to have a little read of that later. But that's a really nice touch to have, and I'll keep that in the book so I don't lose it. And then we also had this that does a little bit of explaining about this box. It's also showing some releases that are coming out in in May for 2023. Which is quite nice. Being part of one of their subscriptions, you also get early access to a lot of the books that go on sale. So it's totally worth joining. But look how much stuff you get within this box. Very, very cool. I really enjoyed opening this. And I'm so pleased I decided to subscribe to it. Let's lay it all out so you can see everything that you ended up with. Very nice stuff. I just don't know how to use this. Please someone explain to me how I use it. You know, is it like you just put your hands over like that? I don't know. I need someone explain to me, how do I use that? And then I also got the little socks as well there. So that's everything you can see that came within the box. The book is absolutely stunning. I did want to show you one more thing, guys. I very kindly got sent my first book to review. And here it is. It is Circus of Puppets by Anna Moore. I have started reading a little bit of it on my Kindle. It's currently free. As of this video filming, it's currently free on Kindle for you to be able to read. So go and read it. So far, I've read chapter 1. I'm hooked. I really like it. I'm intrigued to see what's going to happen. But she very kindly sent me this as well to be able to read and review. So I'm going to get stuck into this book, and then I'll let you guys know what I think of it, and if I recommend to go read it. But so far from what I've read, I'm really enjoying it, so I recommend it so far. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you that and this lovely Fairyloot box. If you want to see another one of these videos, I will get one next month as well, because, you know, now I'm subscribed, they will keep coming in. So if you want to see next month, let me know and I'll film that too and share it with you all. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you all again soon. Bye, everyone.